With this new software, you can make $100 today utilizing Facebook groups for affiliate marketing. That's right, in just a few clicks, you can actually make your first sale. If you're a complete beginner, you can make your first sale as an affiliate, selling anything as an affiliate product. It could even be a ClickBank thing, and Lord knows I'm not a big fan of ClickBank, but it'll work perfectly if you're doing Facebook organic marketing or you're doing Facebook groups for your marketing online. I'm going to show you how to do that too. In this video, I'm the infamous Joel, and your boss hates me because I show you how to live a life for freedom, passion, and fulfillment. And if you're infamous too, make sure you subscribe to that channel. Now let's go. Now, first of all, let me give you a quick overview of my Facebook group strategy that I've been using since 2019. I can easily come into Facebook, make $100 whenever I feel like it, or even $1,000 sometimes. Depends on what my target avatar, my perfect customer, the person I'm talking to wants. I'll point them in the direction of an affiliate product, okay? Or my own products. But let's go over to Facebook groups, and you can see I am joined to a lot of Facebook groups based around affiliate marketing. That's my niche: make money online, helping people make money, helping people start, helping people whatever. Here's my own group if you want to join that. I'm totally fine with you using this strategy in my group. I don't really care. I'm not a big egotistical maniac, okay? What you do essentially, and I'm gonna leave a link at the end of this video for you to get more training with this, because I got a lot of free training on this subject to show you how to get started with this. But let's say I go into, I don't know, get freedom with affiliate marketing, this nice yet young lady here. And what I do is I really just joined the group just so I could look at the members. That's it. I really don't engage in here. I don't post in here. Don't do that, because you're just going to flag yourself. Every owner of every group knows that almost everyone joining the group now is just doing marketing and just trying to sell their stuff. It's make money online stuff. So it's pretty much very competitive, and a lot of people just fighting for, you know, making money and whatnot. What's going to be different with you and what's different with me and the way that I teach is you're genuinely going to come in here looking to help. If you're looking to help instead of looking to make sales, you will always beat out the competition. That might even mean helping people for free. You have to be willing to put people first, and that's what's going to make your brand grow and your online presence grow in general, okay? So you'll come in here and you'll kind of seek out who to send friend requests to. New people are probably some of the best people to send friend requests to. It says right here, new to the group. And that's probably the best place to start. Now, I told you in the beginning of this video that I would show you a software that just within a few clicks, you'll be able to make $100 today with affiliate marketing with using Facebook groups, right? So you probably noticed this weird button here, add to group track. That is the name of the software. It's called Group Track. I'm going to show you more about how it works after I finish doing a little bit of this. And you get the idea. You come in here, you start sending out friend requests. Again, I'll leave a link, or I'll show you a video after this video where you can get more training on my step-by-step with this stuff, okay? Now, let's say you've now sent out those friend requests. Oh, that's the wrong button. You've sent out those friend requests, and now you have some new friends. Well, here's what Group Track does. Group Track does a lot of automation for you, okay? It does a lot of heavy lifting for you. It does a lot of keeping track of people. It does a lot of automated messages. And if you have a great messenger strategy, a great follow-up strategy with your leads, this is like irreplaceable. This is like a method that I've literally used to scale to 6 figures. You can come in here every day, work for about, I don't know, 20 to 30 minutes, beats having a job, and find someone to just hand you $100, $200, $300 every single day. It's so easy, because what you're doing is you're finding a warm audience. People join Facebook groups because they're raising their hand and they're saying, I need help with this subject: fitness, weight loss, relationship, whatever. I need help. You can go to ClickBank and find dog training products. You can find anything, gardening products, okay? And you join groups based around those niches, and you start sending out friend requests, okay? And once they accept your friend request, here's what Group Track does, right? It has these automated, now these you have to set up yourself, but look, I can just send out automated messages. Because over time, I've had so many conversations. I've had an enormous number of conversations over time that I just know what script to use, what works. And again, I have a whole messenger training inside of my YouTube channel. So people that like, oh, I don't know where to start, I don't get enough free help and blah blah blah, and everybody wants me to pay all this money for help. Look, you can join the affiliate franchise, and it is a premium service where I'm helping you do all this stuff one-on-one, and I get you across the finish line. But that's what my YouTube channel is for those of you who are on a budget, who can't quite afford that or get there yet. My YouTube channel is completely free, and it's kind of a do-it-yourself, right? There should be no complaining about that. And you can see with Group Track, it makes it super easy. And another thing you're seeing is as I'm adding these people into Group Track, it's giving them this little green marker next to their name. And as you can see, I call this conversation starter. These are called stages. Now again, this is something that you set up. You have to think of Facebook to use this effectively and make a lot of money every single day from Facebook. To use this strategy effectively, you have to think of Facebook as a sales funnel. You have to think about it as a process by which you take someone who's completely cold, doesn't know who you are, doesn't know what you have to offer, doesn't know anything about anything, and they're going down this kind of rabbit hole, this pipeline, this process with you to figure out what the best solution for them is. Okay, so you have to figure out what your pipeline looks like. Again, I have a lot of help with this. I have a lot of training, free training on this in this YouTube channel that I'll leave a link to after this. Or if you want to skip all that and you want me to set everything up for you, me and my team go in and set an entire affiliate business for you. You can find out more about that down in the description below. In the description section there's a link to what we call the affiliate franchise, and that's literally taking an entire affiliate business in a box, building it up for you. You set it, we help you set it up, and then you're just kind of just, you know, checking in on it like once a week or twice a week, and it's easy peasy. Okay, now that being said, you notice they say conversation starter. Some of these, this guy booked a call, this guy's in the nurture sequence, this guy's in the affiliate franchise, this lady's in a transition phase. You can put out these stages and these phases, and it helps you to keep track of where people are. Another thing that I love that Group Track does is you have this profile right here. You can look at their whole profile from a bird's eye view. You can see, you know, what happened lately. Here's the updates. Hey, you talked to them in Messenger lately. You know, it gives you an update on where they're at. I love this too. I'm a very forgetful person. Very. I don't remember anything. Okay, my memory is shot probably from years of drug use. Okay, so my memory is messed up. So I love this feature right here, this follow-up tasks. I love it. I can't explain enough how much I love this feature, because what you can do is you can connect your phone number to this. Let's say follow up about coaching, and you can set a date and a time. Let's say next Thursday, set a time. I'll put like 11 a.m. Send me an SMS, create task. I'm not going to click it because I don't want a task, to be created. This is going to now send me a text message on that date to remind me and say, hey, get back with, you know, Susan, I don't see her name, Susan, about the coaching program. She's interested in the affiliate franchise. You know, so it just helps me keep track of all these people and sets reminders for me to make sure I'm on point and I'm doing what I'm doing to guide people down that pipeline. Now you can, using this strategy, once you build up some momentum, you can literally come into Facebook and make $500 to $1,000 a day. I've done it even with low ticket products, even low ticket. Okay, so it's not just a high ticket thing. This works with any price affiliate products that you want to promote. You just got to have a system down. You got to have templates. You got to have all of these stages and everything set up. You see one guy already answered, and you can see my whole messenger wall right here. I can sort people by what stage they're at. Say I only want to talk to people who, let's say they booked a call, right? I only want to talk to people that have booked a call with me lately and follow up with them and see how they're doing. You know, maybe we talked about their game plan, their strategy, which again, you can do down in the description below and try to move them along and help them find their path, whether it be with us or with somebody else. We're totally fine either way. But let's talk to people that only booked a call, and you see how it filtered and organized all of the leads right here in one spot. They all booked a call, so I can follow up with them. It just helps so much to stay organized if you're an affiliate marketer and you're using Facebook, which I highly recommend. If you're a beginner, I know the new trend is to do 20,000 TikToks a day and try to build up your audience there. But if you're doing that, you're probably noticing, and you're probably noticing a lot of your peers are getting a lot of followers. You're getting a lot of people watching your stuff, but you're not making many sales. And that's because of the nature of that platform. TikTok is fine to build up your list, okay? You want to build up a massive audience and whatnot, but it's not great to actually make any money, to actually convert and make the sale. It's really, really difficult. And if you do, it's probably a really cheap product, like a $7 thing that you're selling on TikTok, which if that's what you're doing, that's totally fine. But again, if you're doing TikTok as an affiliate marketer, you're starting to notice it's just harder to make a sale on TikTok, right? The audience is looking for you to dance around and make jokes and stuff. They're not looking for life advice about where to spend their money and whatnot. Facebook, on the other hand, I love Facebook because it's the biggest platform. And the other thing is Facebook is very personal. So it's a great way, like I showed you with Group Track, to send friend requests, make posts, and engage with people and get to know people and talk to them in Messenger and get this deeper relationship. You can even set up calls with people and whatnot. And it's just so much more intimate, okay? So that's why I recommend Facebook. And that's mainly why I recommend Group Track. Now, like I promised you, up here in this side video that probably is popping up right now, I have a whole training on my Facebook organic traffic affiliate strategy. So you can get leads every day. You can send messages to people, get intimate with them, talk to them about their problems, and have scripts in there and everything. And you can make sales today, especially using Group Track. Click on the link down in the description below to get your Group Track set up. I believe there's a free trial, but it is indispensable. You definitely want to set up Group Track to keep track of everything and send out automated messages. A few clicks a day and you can make a bunch of sales. All right, I'm the infamous Joel and I'm out.